Adam tried to compute the average of his 7 test scores. He mistakenly divided the correct sum of all of his test scores by 6, which yielded 84%. What's his correct average test score? Okay, so what we have here is we have some number, right, divided by 6 equals 84%. That's how he did it accidentally. And he tried to compute his average of his 7 test scores. So the first thing we need to do is figure out what the sum is. Right? And I'm going to write the word sum. I could put a variable there if I wanted to. But this is the sum of all of his scores. And technically if it yielded 84%, yeah, I just want to figure out what the sum is. Now the sum, this is the same as 84 over 1. Now this is a proportional problem, even though it's a percentage problem. And what I want to do is I want to say 84 times 6 is equal to 1 times the sum, or the sum. Right? So we need the sum, and once we find the sum, then I'm just going to take the sum, whatever that is, and I'm going to divide that by 7. So that's how that's going to work. Okay? Well, 6 times 4 is 24 raised to the 2. 6 times 8 is 48 plus 2 is 50. So 504 is equal to the sum. So I'm going to say 504 divided by 7. In other words, all 7 of his test scores, when you add them up, they equaled 504. He accidentally divided by 6, but he didn't have 6 tests. He had 7 tests. So what I could do is I could take 504 and divide it by 7. So I'm not going to use the calculator because I'm smart. And 7 goes into 57 times. That gives you 49. Subtract, you have a remainder of 1. 7 goes into 14 because I carry the 4 down. 2 times, much lower, 72%.